How to create QR code for Google Drive. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. For this, launch a preferred browser in your device and firstly you need to search for Google Doc. If you have the application, make sure you launch it. Now right here select on the blank document. For this, you'll be needing an external extension or the add-on. To get that at the top, click on the extension option and you'll be needing the QR code extension. For that, click on the add-on button and tap on Get Add-ons. Right in the given dialog box at the top, you will see Search App, search for QR code generator. You can install any of the QR code generator that is displayed right here. Once you get the extension, now click on the extension and select on the option of QR code generator. In your right hand side, you will see a display like this. Now firstly, you need to add the QR code content. Then you can add the QR code label over here. You can adjust it according to your preference, that is the color, background color, version, and the label size, positions, and more. Once done, just copy the image and paste it right here or any other platform in which you wish to share. So this is how you can create a QR code for Google Drive. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.